Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 3. Alright, so we want to sketch the region whose area is represented by this given definite integral. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we know that we have to do a top minus bottom curve, right? So which means that here we have this is going to be our top curve. And this is going to be our bottom curve, right? Alright, so let's sketch the top curve. Top curve is very easy to sketch, so we just have to use the line tool here. Alright, oops, sorry. Then we know that, let's see, slope is 1 and the y-intercept is 6. So I'm going to click on y-intercept is negative 6. And the slope is 1, so you go up to the right 1 and go up 1. So it's going to go through here, right? 1, negative 5. All right, so that's the top curve, which is a straight line. All right, now we need to sketch the parabola. All right, so it looks like we need the vertex and the point. All right, so I'm going to find vertex and the point here. All right, so we have y equals x squared plus 5x, and I'm gonna put minus 6 a little bit here, leaving some room here, right? So what we need, the third term we need would be 1/2 of this number squared. So I'm gonna put 5 over 2 squared, but we have to immediately subtract same thing so that we don't change anything. Right? So if you group the first three terms together, we're going to get this. Right? We're going to have, so this is going to be x plus and 1/2 of 5, so it's going to be 5 over 2 squared. Right? So this will give us those three terms here. Right? Then we can combine these guys together. Alright, so we have, let's see, 5 over 2 squared. So this is 25 over 4. Alright, 6 is same thing as 24 over 4. So it's going to be negative 25 over 4 minus 24 over 4 is going to be negative 49 over 4. Alright, so we have a vertex. Alright, so vertex is going to be, so x is going to be equal to negative 5 over 2, and the y is going to be negative 49 over 4. Alright, and we just need another point, so I'll just pick a point. So I'm going to pick something easy. Point on this parabola would be, I'm going to just choose x to be 0, right? So if you plug in 0 in this function, you get negative 6. So it's going to go through 0, negative 6, right? So let's type it in here. Right, so the vertex we just found out to be negative 5 over 2, comma, negative 49 over 4. And another point is 0, comma, negative 6. Right? So we have that parabola. Then we just need to fill it. So I'm going to use this paint tool, I guess, and you just click inside. Right? So that's going to be the region. Right? So let's check the answer. Right? Oops, sorry. Submit for testing. Right? Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.